In this video, let us examine Bhagavad Gita chapter 10, verse 25. In this chapter, Arjuna has asked Lord Krishna to describe his divine glories. Krishna explains that he is the source of all that is great and magnificent in the universe. This verse continues that beautiful revelation. First, let us listen to this sacred verse with devotion. maharṣīṇāṃ bhṛgurahaṃ girāmasmyekamakṣaram yajñānāṃ japayajño'smi sthāvarāṇāṃ himālayaḥ. The meaning of this verse is that Krishna is the greatest of the great sages, Bhrigu. Among all sounds and words, he is the sacred single syllable, Om. Among all sacrifices, he is Japa, the quiet chanting of holy names. And among all things that are immovable, he is the mighty Himalayas. This shows us that God's presence is found in the highest excellence of every category, from a wise person to a mighty mountain. This shows us that God's presence is found in the highest excellence of every category, from a wise person to a mighty mountain. The emotion contained in this verse tells us that we can see the divine everywhere. It encourages a sense of awe. When we admire the wisdom of a great teacher, feel the power of a sacred mantra, or stand before a vast mountain range, we are connecting with a small part of God's infinite glory. This transforms our view of the world from ordinary to extraordinary. To learn the meanings of more Bhagavad Gita verses, please be sure to watch our next videos.